got a new toy. Oyo. Yeah, it's a USB charger / camera. So I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, I got a new toy in the mail, so I got to try it out, and I'm going to tell you if I like it or not, of course. It is a USB charger, as you can see, but it's a special kind of charger. It's got a camera in it. Check that out. Isn't that cool? So yeah, I don't know if it works or not, but I'm going to try it out. And it has like a little cover that goes over it, but it has loop recording and I guess motion detection recording. And you can still actually charge your phone or whatever you need to charge with the USB charger. It is an actual charger, but it also has a camera. So I'm going to see if it works. Okay, so this is what comes in the package. You get, of course, a user manual with instructions, which is always good. And get a little micro SD adapter. And then, of course, the other little USB so you can connect to your computer. I guess straight from this actually to the computer. Although, according to the directions, it suggests that it's much quicker if you just throw in the micro SD card. So I'm going to put this in right now. Okay, put it in, and the pin side goes down. That's always the hardest part for me, trying to figure out if the pins go up or if the pins go down. In this case, they go down. So, okay, I'm going to put that. It's in. I already pushed it in, and now I'm going to put this part right here on top of it. All right, put the lid back on, and as you can see, it looks like a charger, right? And it is a charger, but it's got a little tiny camera right there. So I did have to take off a little plastic piece of film on the outside here. So look for that. Make sure you pull that part off. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just plug her in, just like that. The light is flashing red. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that means it's on or it's off. But I think it's supposed to go blue first. Okay, well, not all it goes. Read the directions. And here one of the questions is, why is the red indicator light always blinking? Well, you know, it says the answer is check to see if you actually inserted the SD card correctly. And if not, please do so. Or format the SD card and test it again. You can also replace it with another SD card. I guess that means that maybe I didn't put in a very good SD card, so I'm going to format it and see if that helps. Okay, that card I was not able to format, so I do have one more left. I'm going to hopefully this one will work. Yeah, I had to go grab a different one, so hopefully this one will work. The other one apparently was read only, which of course it doesn't work. Can't format it when it says read only, so okay, one more try. Let's see if I can do it this way. This folder is empty, so maybe I don't need to format it. You know, one of the problems when you buy these micro SD cards is you don't know if they're going to work or not. So this is a class 4, so it's supposed to work. So hopefully this one will do. Okay, the card is in. I'm going to put this on top of it and go set it up in the bathroom. All right, back in the bathroom. Here I go. Oh, it's working. See, it's going blue. And now it's supposed to be no light whatsoever. So that, you know, but you're just supposed to see it when you first put it on. So I'm guessing at this point it's filming me waving in front of it. Hope it's filming me. It does seem to be working better than it did when I had in that other micro SD card. So, yeah. It looks like your basic USB charger. It is a USB charger, as you can see. You plug it in so it stays charged just by staying plugged in. And I'm going to go ahead now and take it out and see if I got any footage there. Okay, I took out the little SD card. I'm going to put it in here and hopefully we'll see something. Da-doop. Yeah, definitely going to see something from the looks of it. video. Oh, and I can change the time. Oh, that's good to know. It definitely shows movie clips, so.
It's going
Up.
blue, and now
Yep, there's my fingers.
whatsoever, so that, you know.
And that's what the footage looks like.
First put it on. So I'm guessing at this point it's filming me waiting in front
Not
of
too
it.
bad.
Hope it's filming me.
Yeah, shows quite the view there.
Micro SD card. So, yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like your basic USB charger.
Oh, there you go. That's the video from it.
See, you plug it in, so
It has quite the range.
Plugged in. And,
Huh.
I'm going to go ahead now
And it's on a loop recording.
and take it out and see if I got any footage.
So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and close that out. That's kind of cool. And when you go over and switch on the time, you can actually edit the time and date. So that's great. Okay, so I changed the time and the date real easily. Okay, and here's a little more footage just to show you what the, I guess, video looks like. Okay, since there is no on-off button, you just pull it out of the plug and that turns the filming off. Okay. And as you can see, yes, it's a charger that is also functioning as a charger. This is great. I love it. So, here you'll see I actually plug in my phone into the charger slash camera. And this is the video of me plugging my phone into the charger slash camera. Don't judge on the phone. I know it's an old school phone. It gets the job done for me though. And yep. Okay. There you have it. Phone is charging. And I'm still being filmed with no interruption. And that turns the filming off. Okay, I just deleted the video. So clearly, you know, you can just go ahead and delete whatever videos you don't want right from the computer. And it's on a loop, so if you run out of time on your card, it'll just erase the very first video, and you know how that works, right? The loop. Okay. And I'm thinking, you know, another thing you might want to do if you want a different angle, of course, is plug this into an extension cord, and then that way you can move it around a little bit in different areas. Yeah, clearly this little tiny camera has a pretty good picture. It's very portable. I mean, you can take this with you really anywhere in your purse, and to work, to the hotel, you know, wherever you think you can find a plug. And of course, the number one selling point of this, aside from it having just a really nice little camera on it, is it does have a functioning USB charging port. So you can charge your phone while you film what's happening in the room. Okay, I went ahead and put the SD card back in there, and as you can see, it does not turn on until you actually plug it in. You know, one of the things I noticed when it arrived is it doesn't say camera on it anywhere. It just says USB universal charger. And it shows a bunch of phones on the back. And, you know, nowhere on this packaging does it say there's a camera on this USB charger. Okay, so I have to say, as I end this video, I really like this thing. I'm glad I purchased it. It's fairly easy to use once you realize you got to have the correct SD card in there, you know, and if it's blinking red, that means you don't have the right card in there. Get the right one, because apparently that's what helps. You got to have the right card. So, okay, if you want to buy it, there's a whole bunch of them, as you can see, at eBay, and I found it from this person right here, Elcraft. It was $15.99. And it was the flag with the word U.S. stock that got me, meaning I didn't have to wait 6 weeks for it to show up from China like some of the things I order. This was here in 3 days, so not bad for 3 days. And yeah, very easy to use. Now, if you already have one of these, hopefully this video solved any questions you had on how to use it. And if you don't have one of these, and you decide you want to have one of these, let me know you saw this video and you went and got one because you saw this video. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. Bye.